On this video today, I'm going to show you another easy strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing anything and without any experience. This method is one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money because you don't need any skills to get started and you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Let me update the page for you to see. So let me click right here, update. As you can see, that has been done. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Warrior Plus, you can join Max Bounty, you can join ClickBank or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. So if you want to join Digistore24, just search for it. Once you search for it, you can be able to create your free accounts and then promote offers wherever you are in the world. So once you have joined, the next step is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on it, you can be able to find offers that you can promote to make money from home. As a score, you can see these are all offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers, and most of the offers are available in different languages. You can see English offers, we have about 983, and in daily basis people keep on adding different offers onto the platform. So any kind of offer that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. There are many of them. Just search for the offer that you want so that you can promote it. If you want a specific category, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see digital products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to find a specific category of products that you want to promote. So if you want animals and pets, you have to click right here so that you can find an offer to promote. If you want betting system, you have to click on this one so that you can find the available offers to promote. You can see business and investment. You can find an offer to promote. They have education, email marketing, family and children, fashion, and many other categories that you can find an offer to promote. You can see they have fiction, food and drink, fun and games, green products, and environmental protection, health and fitness. So any kind of category that you want, you can find an offer on this platform to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want digital products, you can also promote physical products. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can be able to find physical products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see they have food supplements and skincare. So assuming you want to promote food supplements, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to find a whole lot of different food supplements that you can promote. You can see them. These are all food supplements that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. The best part is that most of them have higher commission rates. So if you are able to get a sale, you can be making up to $100 per day. If you are able to get 2 sales per day, you can make up to $250 or $300 per day. It depends on the number of sales that you get per day. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a product under the home and garden category. So let me close this. So just scroll down so that you can find the home and garden category. Let's scroll down. You can see it right here, home and garden. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all these products are under the home and garden. You can see a whole lot of them. There are many offers that you can promote under the home and garden. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. It is one of the best products that you can promote because the commission rate is high. You are going to be earning $155.31 per day. You can see the commission rate. You are going to be earning $155.31 per every sale that you get. The commission rate is good. You only need 8 sales per day to make up to $1,240. So what you have to do is that you have to promote an offer like this. To promote it, click on it so that you can be able to get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to check the landing page so that you can get more information about the product. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. When I scroll down, you can see many other details of the product. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a lot of information about the product. So what you have to do is that you have to read everything so that you can get more understanding about the product. Once you get the understanding of what the product is about, you can be able to promote it to the right people so that you can be making more than 10 sales per day. The secret about getting sales with affiliate marketing is you have to promote the product to the right people. If you promote the product to the right people, you can be able to get a lot of sales in a single day. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see if your customers are from the United States, the shipping is free. Other countries, they have to pay $20 for shipping. So this is one of the best products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see they have money back guarantee. It is 180 days. You can see they have many other questions that you can click on to find answers. Now, once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin to promote it. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the Student Info. Once you come back on the Student Info, what you have to do is that you have to click on a copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link, which you can promote and then get people to purchase the product through that link so that you can be earning a commission every sale that you get. There are many traffic sources that you can use, but in today's video I'm going to show you one of the best traffic sources that you can use to make money without investing in anything. It is one of the best platforms where you can promote products like this to make money from home. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Tumblr.com. Tumblr is one of the best social media platforms where you can post links for free without paying for anything. What you need to do is that you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you can be able to set a blog which you can use to promote your affiliate links. All that you need to do is that you have to create a blog. Once you create a blog on this platform, you can be able to promote your affiliate links for free without paying for anything. So search for Tumblr.com. Once you search for it, it is easy to create an account. Once you create an account, you can be able to promote your affiliate offer onto this platform. For example, you can promote the offer in a text format. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on text. Once you click on text, you can be able to write some brief information about the product that you are promoting and then post it onto this platform. Apart from that, you can also promote images. So click on photo. Once you click on it, you can be able to promote photos of the product that you are promoting. You can also promote codes. You can promote your direct affiliate link. So if you click right here, link, you can be able to promote your direct affiliate link to the people on this platform so that they can make a purchase for you to make money. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are not going to post it onto our blog because we have just created it. We don't have a lot of followers, so if you post it, the likelihood of you getting many people to click on your affiliate link is low. So we have to find a group that is related to the offer that we are promoting. In this case, we are promoting a product under the home and garden. So what you have to do is that you have to come at the search bar. Once you come at the search bar, search for garden. Just search for garden. Once you search for it, you can be able to find a tag related to garden which you can post your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting. For example, you can see on the garden they have about 666,000 followers. That is almost more than 500,000. So if you post something on this group, you are going to get many people who will purchase it for you to make money. So let's click on the group. First of all, you have to follow. I have already followed it. You can see it right here. So you have to follow the group so that you can be able to post. Once you follow the group and then open it, you can see you have to click right here, new post. Once you click on it, you can be able to create your post onto this platform. You can see this group allows you to post videos, audios, chat, links, codes, photos, and text. So any of them that you want, you can post it onto this group. Now we don't have a post, so what you have to do is that you have to write a post and then come back so that we can post it onto this platform. To write a post, you have to come on ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will write a very relevant post for you, which you can post it on Tumblr so that you can get a lot of engagement. So what you have to do is that you have to type a prompt here so that ChatGPT can write a nice post for you. As you can see, this is my prompt. You can see I just wrote, write a Tumblr post about, then the name of the product. Once that is done, you instruct it to add all the relevant tags and then a call to action. You can see it right here. This is the name of the product. So when you come back on biggest student info, you can see this is the name of the product. That is the exact name that I pasted right here. Now once you have your prompt, click right here, send, so that it will write a post for you. Once you click on it, you can see it is writing the post. You can see everything. It is writing the post for you. So just wait for it so that it can write everything for you. As you can see, it is writing everything. You can see it has finished writing the post. You can see these are the tags. You can see your call to action. And then when you scroll upwards, you can see this is the post. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy this information on Tumblr. So highlight and copy the headline. Highlight and then copy the headline. Once you copy the title, you have to come back on Tumblr and then click right here, new post. You want to post to all these followers. So click on new post so that you can post to them. Once you click on it, select text because you are posting a text. So click on text. Once you click on it, paste the title right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the information here. So come back on ChatGPT, highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back and then paste the information right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. You can see this is a call to action. You can click the link in our bio to get yours now. So we are going to type something like click here to get it now. Click here. So ours is click here to get yours now. Once you have your call to action, you have to get your affiliate link so that you can insert it right here. So you have to come back on this student for click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once your affiliate link has been copied, come back on Tumblr, highlight your call to action, highlight it, highlight your call to action, highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on this link. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link here. Once that is done, press enter. Once you press enter, you can see the text has been linked to your affiliate link. So anytime people click on it, they can be able to get the product through this link. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to add the tags here. So you can paste the name of the product right here, or you can type home and garden. Just type anything that is related to the product. The tags that we generated on ChatGPT, most of them are not relevant. So just highlight and copy the ones that you want so that you can use it in your post. Highlight and copy those that you want. Highlight and copy those that you want and then paste them right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, just type as many tags as you want. So let's type DIY garden. Type something like this. You can see it right here. Just add as many tags as you want. Just type something like this, home and garden, home and garden. You can see it right here. Type something like this, home garden. Just add the tags that are related to the product that you are promoting. Once that is done, you have to leave here everyone. You want everyone in the group to see your post. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, click right here, post now, so that your post can be sent to the group for you to get many people to click on your affiliate link. You can see your post has been sent. It has been created and you are going to get many people who will purchase the product for you to make money. There are many other groups on this platform where you can post your affiliate links for free. So all that you need to do is that you have to go back on the student info. Once you go back on the student info, select a different category. Once you select a different category, come back right here and then search for the category of the product that you have selected. Once you search for it, you can post it for free without paying for anything. So for example, let's say you have selected a product under business and investment. Let's search for business. So let's search for business. Once you search for business, you will see a group that you can also post for free. So let's see. As you can see, under the business category, they have about 11 million followers. So just go back on the student info. Once you go back on the student info, select a product under business and investment and then post it onto this group. You are going to be posting to 11 million followers. So imagine you are able to get 10 sales per day, 20 sales per day. You are going to be earning a lot of money. You can see 11 million followers and you can post it for free. All that you need to do is that you have to click right a new post. Once you click on new post, you can be able to post your affiliate link for free without paying for anything, and there is no restriction. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.